Hey guys, it's Jeremiah with Teardown Systems, and we are so excited to announce our HydroKing line. Our HydroKing line is part of our Watch Strap line. It's the newest member of that line, along with our ultralight line. And like everything we do, we like to do things a little bit different, a little bit more unique, and just trying to add to the world of watches. We really enjoy what we do. So that being said, something super exciting with this new material, and we'll go over materials and kind of the different changes. So with this new material is allowing us to engrave way smaller now. So you'll see a few subtle changes in aesthetics. So first things first, it says Teardown Systems, HydroKing on there. That not only allows you to know what the product is, but it also acts as a nice little marker of where the watch is supposed to go. So when you're installing this, as long as your watch is covering that logo, your watch is in the right place for wearing the strap. Surprisingly, and this is quite common, we get emails about this all the time for guys that are getting into it. Where do I properly place it on a single pass? And so this was our way of just making that easier for you guys to understand. Another thing is we got rid of our massive logo on this one. We're going with a more subtle approach with a smaller, more detailed logo at the bottom of the tail, so you can hide it and tuck it away so it's not taking away from the watch. Just in general, most watch guys want to show off the watch more, so you can do that but still rep our brand. And now we get to the very special part of the strap, which is the material and what makes it extremely unique. So this is a rubber Kevlar, basically composite type fabric. It's really cool because you get the best of both worlds in terms of rubber injection molded straps and your classic NATO woven type straps. So your single pass straps that most people know. But what's nice about this is it's still 100% waterproof. Still has that rubberized grip texture. It's not too much. It's not going to like pull and rip your hairs out, but it is enough that if you're in a wetsuit and you're diving, your watch and your watch strap are not going to free spin around there. It has enough grip to handle that, especially if it's fully saturated. Another wonderful thing we absolutely love about this, it is a awesome strap for heavy activities. So in terms of, whether you're training, you're in the military, or you're in the gym and you want to wear this a lot, it is not going to get slimy over time, and it is very, very easy to clean. Due to the waterproofness of it, you can just literally wipe it down with soap and water, and it's not going to deteriorate the watch strap in any way. So the properties of this are super nice. It is nice and flexible, but still very strong. That Kevlar keeps it strong, so it's going to be able to hold your big Seiko turtles and stuff like that. It's going to be able to handle those heavier dive watches. So it really is a best of both worlds for the end user, and we're really excited to bring this to you guys. A few features that are carrying over from our ultralight line is our micro hole pattern design. So this just allows a maximum adjustability on your wrist. So the holes are spaced very close together without the risk of breakage. And this is just going to allow for your micro adjustment so that it is perfectly sized to your wrist, whether it's a bare wrist or you're in a wetsuit or anything like that. Along with that is the holes are extended downwards just as much as our ultralights. That way you can still access this with a wetsuit on. Now, obviously that depends on how thick of a wetsuit you're wearing, but for the most part, this will fit most people. It is a single pass design. We do have some plans of possibly providing stuff in the future, but for now, we absolutely love where this is going. You still get the bar tacks up here, so that way you have the most secure possible method for your hardware. It's not going to fail on you. This bar tack is extremely strong, and so you never have to worry about this being your failing point. This really is meant to be a absolute workhorse of a watch strap, and just meant for your divers, your adventurers. We really just love that we're bringing this to market and that you get those best of both worlds with this strap. With that being said, it is going to be available in Coyote, Black, and Multicam at launch. We're really excited about that with possible patterns in the future. So go check out the HydroKing strap. We are extremely excited to bring this to you guys. It has been a fun project. It's been fun getting all the feedback from different watch companies and all the other watch guys that we get to connect with and get feedback on. So thank you for making this very much possible. Go check it out on teardownsystems.com. Train hard and serve others.